Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Here for Mana as well. I think my assumption from the last video is still pretty much valid in that I think we had a B wave top here. I mean, we reacted to our resistance and we are still also with this latest spike here that occurred today. I think that was early in the morning, very early in the morning. We touched that channel again, yeah. So the channel is defined by connecting the beginning of the A wave and the top of the B wave, as it currently stands. And then down here we've got a parallel line. So I'm very much curious to see if we can reach target down there. Bear in mind, minimum, you could say a minimum target for the A wave was already reached. Here with a touch of the 38.2 FIB retracement. I don't know if anybody entered here a long trade, but this is sort of too short for a wave 2. No, it's not too short for a wave 2, but it's, to get a clear wave 2, in most cases, I want to see a wave 2 reach the 50% retracement at the very least. Yeah, and also if we look at timing, this would have been a very short wave 2 time-wise as well. Again, as I highlighted in the video previously, I cannot rule out that the wave 2 finished here. This is a corrective pattern complete. We have enough waves to count it as a completed pattern. I, however, would primarily see it as the completion only of the A wave. Again, we are currently really at a key level here for many of those coins. Many coins are either doing a B wave, and I warned you of that we could get upside in a B wave, or that the wave 2 is already over. That's sort of still what we don't really know at this stage. Here I think we get the next really clear trade setup for a pullback trade if we come down in the C wave of 2 into the region between 56.6 and 40 cents. If we hold 40, as long as we're holding that, this is a valid wave 2. If we go below that, it will get unlikely, not invalid, but unlikely that this wave 2 is holding, and we can still get a high probability wave 3. At the moment, it looks like that we are working and running in this channel. Would be great, because then in the next step we would come down, hit the channel support probably somewhere around that 56 cent level, yeah, which would be a possible entry point. Could very well be that we've done the first wave 1 down yesterday here in this C wave. We rallied in a corrective move up in a wave 2, and we could come down further lower. Confirmation that we are in the wave C, I think we get that first of all if we break below 67.3 cents, the low here from Friday, and then also further confirmation if we break below the A wave low at 61.7 cents. However, I also have to tell you, if we now rally, break above this B wave high at 47.9 cents, then I think we are going to see a rally, first of all, to 84.8 cents, and then possibly even higher, because there's two possibilities. This could either become a bigger B wave, yeah, A, B, C, that's possible, or even the third wave. We currently see some coins are rallying in a third wave, like Polkadot and Chainlink probably, and I cannot rule out that Mana is doing that as well. Problem here, if I compare that to Chainlink reached, however, the 50% retracement, and therefore I gave a high probability trade setup. Mana hasn't done that, and therefore I'm always leaning more towards a B wave, yeah, if we rally higher, typically, until we really significantly break above that high. But yeah, so I cannot rule out we're already in a third wave. If we are, and you want to trade this, pay close attention to the current B wave high at 74.975 cents. If we break above that, again, I think we can get to the 85 cent level. And if we break above that as well, then the next target would be the target of the third wave, which is typically the 1.618 FIB extension. And then we're talking here about round about 150. Yeah, that would still be an amazing price and decent upside from the breakout point here above the wave 1 high. So that's sort of the situation we're in here with Mana. Very first indication that we are going to start to move higher would be a break above the corrective price channel here. Yeah? Until that break happens, I assume we are coming down, and follow the channel in a C wave, because we always have to give benefit of the doubt to the current trend, and the trend here in the short term within this channel is currently down until it breaks, and then you should be prepared for what's coming next. Okay, that's my update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.